Hi there. This is how typically WooCommerce single product pages look like. And they all have one thing in common. They have a feedback form at bottom of the product page. Now, the problem with this feedback form or the review form is that it is not protected at all from bots or automated softwares. Anyone can come to your website or to your WooCommerce store and they can use a software and they can publish bad reviews or any other spammy content. So what you need to have is protection. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can protect your product review form from bad actors with the help of Swift Commerce and using Cloudflare Turnstile CAPTCHA. So let's get started. All I have to do is head over to my WordPress website dashboard, and here I have to open up the Swift Commerce dashboard. After that, all I have to do is click on spam, and here I'll have to click on reCAPTCHA. Inside reCAPTCHA, I need to select my provider. There are multiple options to choose your provider. Right now, I've already selected Cloudflare Turnstile, and here what you need to add is your site key and secret key. These two can be taken from Cloudflare website directly for free without any issues. So I've already added them beforehand. The next step for me is to click on settings, and here there are multiple options for me to choose from where I can add my Cloudflare Turnstile CAPTCHA directly. So all I have to do is scroll down and click on product reviews. Here what will happen is that it will directly add the CAPTCHA into the form and protect it from bad actors. All I have to do is click on save changes, and that's how much easy it is to protect your feedback form. Now let me get back to my product page. I'll refresh the website, and here you can see that the CAPTCHA will be added right here. See, that's how easy it is to protect your website from bad actors and automated bots. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next video.